Large language models are incredible. They can generate natural conversations, analyze documents, and respond intelligently thanks to billions of learned parameters. But there's one thing LLMs are not good at, and that's making deterministic, legally correct decisions. This is where the D&C Scrub MCP server can help. The D&C Scrub MCP server exposes D&C Scrub's powerful direct marketing compliance tools directly to the LLMs. So if an LLM is orchestrating your calling program, it can use D&C Scrub to make correct decisions. Let us show you how that works. To use our MCP server, go to docs.dncscrub.com and go to MCP server for applications. You'll copy the URL you see here and add your login ID. Then you go into the LLM application that you're using, such as Retail AI, VAPI, or any other number of applications that support MCP servers. You'll click on Add MCP, you'll paste in the URL to our MCP server, give it a name, and you'll click Save. If we come down here to Add Tools, we can now see all the tools that the MCP server has. These are the 13 tools that we've exposed to the MCP server to help it be compliant. So to show our MCP server in action, I'm going to use Claude Desktop here, which has been pre-configured with our MCP server. So I'm going to ask it if this phone number is safe to call for a sales campaign. So we give the LLM the prompt, and it's telling us this number is safe to call for your sales campaign. Here's why. Internal D&C list. This number is on your internal do not call list, which means someone at the number has previously requested not to be called by your organization. Litigator alert. This number appears on the litigator list, meaning the person associated with this number has filed TCPA or consumer protection lawsuits in the past. Wireless number. This is a wireless phone number in Portland, Oregon, which requires prior express written consent under the TCPA. So here, the LLM has the tools to know whether to place the call or not. Now, I'm going to check if a phone number that I received consent to send a text marketing message to, I can still send text marketing messages to. So I've passed into the LLM the phone number that I want to send the text marketing message to, and I've passed in the date that I received consent. The LLM is checking if this phone number is reassigned by using our MCP server, which queries the FCC reassigned number database, plus it queries carrier data that we have received on deactivations that is more frequently updated than the FCC R&D database. Here's what it says. No, you cannot send a text marketing message to this number. Here's why. The number has been reassigned to a new owner since you received consent on November 1st, 2023. This means the person who gave you consent no longer has this phone number, and the current owner has not provided consent. These are just a few of the many powerful compliance tools that our MCP server exposes to LLMs. As large language models become more widespread in the future, and if and when they are used to orchestrate call center compliance, they can access our powerful compliance tools that we've been building for over 21 years to make deterministic decisions to keep your call center compliant.